Armal US made portalet. Itong type na to is recirculating flush kit siya. Yan. So, makikita natin, made in US. Ano ang inclusion? Ito. So, door lock. Meron tayo urinal, of course. Ventilation pipe. Toilet seat. So, explain natin yung toilet seat, kung anong inclusion nito. Sa recirculating flush type na portalet, yan. Ang tawag dito is V-trap. Para sa more hygienic look. And then, the toilet seat cover. Foot pump. Yan po yung pinipress natin para mag-flush siya. And then, tissue holder. This is available for sale and rental.